Assalamualaikum rahmatullah. I'm going to show you the wastage land. This land has been broken. This land, actually, this is empty land. This land has been destroyed a period of time. It was the government's land, but this land is a vacancy here. So if we get this land, we will make a lot of things for Islam. So I'm going to conversation to person those who are traveling here. So I'm going to ask you some questions. And yeah, brother, what's your name?
My name is Jihadul Islam.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Mahmoud Hassan.
Actually,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
I am fine. I am also fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
May I know your name?
Yeah, sure. My full name is Mahmoud Hassan, but call me Mahmoud. May I know your name?
Sure. My full name is Jihadul Islam, but please call me Jihad.
Alhamdulillah. Your name is very fine.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure, you can.
If you get this land, what will you do?
I will do something for Islam.
I am happy to talk to you.
Alhamdulillah. I am happy to talk to you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Alhamdulillah.
See you again.